Good morning, my dear respected students. And today we are just again begin with a chapter that is working with functions. And my dear respected students, hope my words are easy to understand and you all are understanding the concepts. Thank you very much. And what we are begin with today is, first of all, kindly concentrate. I'm just going to ask one question to you all. My question says, what if you use or update variable inside local scope? मुझे पहले तो yes or no में आंसर दीजिए कि ये possible है. This thing is possible that we are supposed to update a variable or we can update a global variable inside a local scope. क्या हम लोग ग्लोबल वेरिएबल को लोकल स्कोप के अंदर जो है वो हम उसको क्या कर सकते हैं, अपडेट कर सकते हैं? यस और नो? ये मेरी स्क्रीन पे नजर आ गया. अच्छा, यस और नो में बी क्विक. यस सर, यस सर, यस सर. अच्छा, काइंडली टेल मी इफ यू वांट टू update a global variable inside a local scope, then what we are going to do? We can use any kind of keyword. Arey वाह, क्या बात है. Yes sir, by global key. Very good, great. Thank you very much. Thanks for your cooperation. Okay, now here it is, my dear respected student, kindly concentrate. It's my humble request. Here it is, the program says a is equal to 15. फटाफट मेरे को बताते जाइएगा, a is a local variable or a global variable. Be quick. Very good. In a chat box. Very good. This is to be considered as a global variable. Okay. And after that, when we are going to here, in this example, one thing is very much clear here, that when we are going to update that particular, global variable inside the local scope, जब हम इस global variable को local scope के अंदर क्या कर रहे हैं, update, we are going to update it as a is equal to a plus 20. In that case, what we are supposed to do here is, we are supposed to use the concept of a global keyword. And without global keyword, this thing is not possible. Yes or no? This thing is possible without a global keyword? Kindly tell me yes or no? No, here says no. And if you want to update the same, we are supposed to use a variable that is to be called as a global variable. Chalo ji, very good. Kindly concentrate. It's my humble request, my dear respected students. Now, on the top of your screen, one heading is there: mutable and immutable properties of past data object. First of all, just tell me one thing in a chat box, that what do you understand by a mutable? Very good. Mutable. What do you understand by the concept of a mutable? मेरे बच्चे मुझे फटाफट बताएंगे. फटाफट. Very good. Responses आने शुरू हो गए. That can be changed. अरे वाह, क्या बात है. It means that can be changed. Kindly concentrate. And what do you understand by immutable? What do you understand by immutable? Very good. Cannot be changed. Very good, great. Okay, now wait for your responses. Wait for 1 minute, my dear respected students. Just tell me one thing. My next question is, if you are saying that mutable are those which cannot be modified, this thing, or which can be modified, type in a chat box. Mutable are those which can be, type in a chat box, which can be modified. And my dear respected student, kindly mention some data types of which we consider example of a mutable. Kuch example bataiye. You are just going to tell me some examples. Those are mutable, means which can modify. We are, as a user, we are supposed to modify. Be quick. जल्दी से बताइए. अरे वाह, सब लोगों ने एक एग्जांपल दिया. लिस्ट. No. Here you are giving me a wrong answer. when we talk about a mutable which can be modified, here it is list is the correct option, but sorry to say, but tuples is not there. Hiya Sayalji and Harsimranjeet. Tuple is not there in case we are talking about a modified. Now kindly concentrate. As you are giving me a wrong answer. What I am going to do here, kindly concentrate. Wait for a while, my dear respected students. Now kindly view the example here. Okay. My dear respected student, first of all, we are talking about a mutable. First of all, we are talking about a mutable which can be modified. Now kindly consider. First of all, we are talking about a list. I'm just going to take one or two examples only. List. I'm going to mention it as a list one, and we are going to pass two different values here, and I'm just going to hit the enter key. It says list one. List is supposed to be displayed here. Kindly consider. Now what I am going to do here, list one. After that, because zero index 1 is there and 1 index 2 is there. As I am just going to display the content list 1 0 1. Okay, list. After that, index number 1, sorry, list 1, index number 1, it says 2. Now I am just going to change or update the value of index number 1. So what we are going to do, list 1, index 1 is equal to 15, and I am just going to hit the enter key, and it says list 1. And when we are going to display that content, now the content of a mutable data type, that is a list, is supposed to be updated. Now kindly consider, just give me your responses in a chat box, yes or no. This thing is clear to all of you, yes or no? Very good. Arre va. Thank you. God bless you. Okay, next, my dear respected student, next example we are talking about. I'm also going to talk about a tuples later on, but first of all, we are supposed to discuss a list, and then we are supposed to discuss a dictionaries. DICTONRIES dictionaries. पता नहीं spelling गलती हो गई, चलो छोड़ो कोई बात नहीं, no problem. Okay, now what we are going to do here, DICT1, after that is equal to curly bracket 1 colon Prabhjot. After that, what we are going to do, we are going to mention here a 2, and then we are going to mention a Hiya Sayal. Close this and hit the enter key. And when we are going to mention it as dict1, it says yes, I am there. And here it is, the value will be 1 Prabhjot and 2 is a Hiya Sayal. What we are going to do here, dict1, okay, and after that we are talking about a key that is 1 itself. And now I'm just going to mention here, what we are going to mention here, Prabhjot for Repal. And now what we are going to do, we are going to hit the enter key. It says dict1, and what we are going to do here is that now the content of that particular is supposed to be changed from a Prabhjot to a Prabhjot or Repal. If my words are clear and easy to understand, and you are able to understand the concept, kindly type yes in a chat box. Very good. I'm waiting for your responses. Very good. Now just type in a chat box. When we talk about a mutable data types, the mutable data types are those which can be modified, and the examples. Now you are supposed to type examples in a chat box. Be quick. I'm waiting for your responses. अब आप लोग चैट बॉक्स में डालिए कि कौन से डाटा टाइप्स हैं जिनको हम म्यूटेबल बोल सकते हैं. Those we can modify easily. We are supposed to modify those. Very good. Arre वाह. List dictionaries are mutable. Very good. Now just remember this thing in your mind, that when we are supposed to understand the concept, in that case the scope of cramming is minimal. मिनिमल हो जाएगा। मिनिमल का मतलब है बिल्कुल रिड्यूस्ड हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा। देयर इज नो नीड फॉर क्रैमिंग, ओनली देयर इज अ स्माइल ऑन अ फेस and we are supposed to write the answer with example. Very good. Okay, now my dear respected students, next we are talking about a immutable. Immutable means which cannot be modified. Now just tell me the example of some data types which cannot be modified in the chat box. Very good, I'm waiting for your responses. Very good, very good, very good, very good, great. बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे। वेरी गुड, टपल, अच्छा, अरे वाह, खुशी ने बोला स्ट्रिंग। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। ओके, वेरी गुड, ग्रेट, ग्रेट, थैंक यू वेरी मच। प्रभजोत, अनिरुद्ध भी आ गया, स्ट्रिंग। अनिरुद्ध थोड़ा सा लेट आए हैं आप, कोशिश करिए आगे से टाइम से आने के लिए। थैंक यू। ओके, very good, very good, very good. Okay, now kindly concentrate here. When we talk about the immutable data types which cannot be modified, in such case, first of all, we begin with tup1 is equal to, now there is a circular bracket 1, 2, 3, 5, and now we are going to hit the enter key and mention here tup1. Okay, now we mention tup1 index value 2 is supposed to modified with a value that is a 35. What happened here? It says type error, tuple object does not support item assignment. It means we are not going to update that particular thing. This is an example of a tuple. Next, we are going to mention it as a string. str1 is equal to किसी और का नाम लूं, हर जीवन कौर. We are going to hit the enter key and mention str1. Hit the enter key. Harjeevan Kaur is there. str1 when we are going to mention, and we are going to mention on a fifth index. We are supposed to write R. We are supposed to write R. In that case, again there is a type error which says str object does not support item assignment. It makes sense that mutable data types allow us to modify the data, but in case we are talking about the immutable data types, in such case they never allows us to modify the data. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ, जिन लोगों को आ गई हो वो कृपया करके हैंड रेज करने की कृपालता कीजिए. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. सॉरी, हैंड रेज नहीं. नो. टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स यस और नो. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ये यस आते हैं ना जब, तो मेरे अंदर वो जैसे ग्लूकोज पी के एनर्जी आ जाती है, वैसे एनर्जी आ जाती है. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. थैंक यू. Thanks for your kind responses. Very good, very good, great. Okay, now we are again begin with a content of our PowerPoint presentation. Kindly concentrate on each word, my dear respected students. First point says, in Python, variables are not storage containers. बड़ी important चीज है, आप लोगों ने सबको पता होगा. Very important thing here. It says that variables in case of a Python is not a storage container. They refers to memory address where the value is stored. Kindly concentrate on this example. Here it is a variable name which is to be called as a num1, and they stores a value. And that particular value having a particular address. Kindly concentrate on our example, which is to be considered as a practical example. Kindly concentrate. I have mentioned a is equal to 5, and now what I am going to do, id display a address of a particular variable. id a, when we mention this is the address. Kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. Kindly concentrate. Now I have mentioned, it's my humble request, I have mentioned a is equal to 15. Again, I have mentioned b is equal to 15, id b. Now, whenever we are going to hit the enter key, it says there is a different address. But what I want to elaborate in such concept, now I am just going to mention c is equal to 5. Anybody tell me that now c having a same address of a or not? Yes or no? Kindly give your responses in a chat box. My question is whether, Areva, Kushi, it's my humble request to you that you having a lack of concentration. I think so. Akul Vashish also, Aniruddha ji also. जयकौर जी ने मेरी बातों को सुन लिया और उन्हें ऐसा लगा कि सर कुछ नेगेटिव बोल रहे हैं, then we are going to give a opposite answer. No problem. Kindly concentrate. बेटा देखना है यहाँ पे. It's my humble request. Kindly concentrate. Okay. Now look here. C is equal to 5. Beta, variable is not a storage container in case of a Python. They refers to a particular value. वो उस particular value को refer करेंगे. आप देखिए जरा. A is equal to 5 है, उसकी ID ऊपर mentioned है. C is equal to 5 because 5 is the value and variables are supposed to refer to that particular value. Now kindly concentrate. ID is equal to within bracket C, and when we are going to hit the enter key, they are sharing a same address. Both A and C are sharing same address. Why so? Because they refers to a same value and that particular value is to be considered as a 5. Kindly concentrate again. Kindly concentrate again. I'm going to mention D is equal to 5. Hit the enter key. Now just tell me in a chat box whether D is sharing a same address of a variable A and C. Yes or no? Very good, very good. I am still waiting for your responses. Same. अब हिया ने बोला, पहले हिया भी नहीं बोली थी. Why so? अब मैंने यहाँ पे आके mention किया. देखिए जरा, ID is D and we are supposed to hit the enter key again. D having a same address, C having a same address, A having a same address because, type in a chat box, because variables are not a storage container in Python, but they refers to a particular value. It means जितने भी variables के नाम लेके जिनमें भी आप 5 store करेंगे, they just point to a particular value that is a 5. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात क्लियर हो गई है, yes or no में आंसर दीजिए. वेरी गुड. yes or no, yes or no. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह. अब आया यस 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 यस. चलिए जी, वेरी गुड. अब यहां तक क्लियर हो गया. नेक्स्ट आइएगा, नेक्स्ट पीपीटी पे आइए. My dear respected students, kindly concentrate. Depending upon the mutability or immutability of its data type, variable behave differently. Remember this point in your brains, that depending upon the mutability and the immutability of a data type, they behave differently. Yes, this is absolutely correct. Kindly concentrate now. It's my humble request. अब मेरी रिक्वेस्ट क्या थी आप लोगों से, that you all are supposed to concentrate on the coding part. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, what I am going to do here, I am just going to copy that content. अब मैं आप लोगों से पूछूंगा, I am just going to ask each and everything to my respected students. Kindly concentrate. It's my humble request. अगर अब किसी ने गलती की तो कोई बात नहीं, फिर क्या हुआ? देखिएगा जरा, देखिए, it's my humble request. Kindly concentrate. Okay, we are talking about that this is to be considered as a main section. अब please मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनिएगा. What happened here? Num having a value. मुझे chat box में ना सबकी chats आनी चाहिए, मुझे पता लगना चाहिए, मैं साथ के साथ discuss करता जाऊंगा. Just give me your responses in a chat box. Num having a value. कौन सी value है num के पास? फटाफट. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Are वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह. 3. Okay. Now when it begins, kindly concentrate. Okay, thank you. Now it begins, it says num in main, num. Num means 3 and ID of num. ID of num. The address of num is supposed to be displayed here. Yes, okay. After that, they are supposed to call a function which is to be called as a myfunc1 and pass the actual argument, that is a num, which having a value 3, and that's supposed to be stored in a formal argument or a parameter, that is a, and now message will be displayed inside my function 1. वैल्यू रिसीव्ड इन ए. अब ए के पास क्या वैल्यू होगी, जल्दी से मैसेज में पास करिए मुझे. मैसेज में पास करिए जल्दी से। ए के पास क्या होगा, ए के पास, या आप थोड़ा सा आगे चले गए हैं, ध्यान से देखिए मेरा बेटा ध्यान से देखिए, अभी हम किस लाइन पे हैं देखिए वो प्लीज आप। here it is, it says that a having a value that is 3, अभी तो 3 है ना यार उसके पास, क्योंकि अभी तो हम उस लाइन पे गए ही नहीं जहां पे आप अपडेट कर रहे हैं। एंड टेल मी वन मोर थिंग इन अ चैट बॉक्स, नाउ टेल मी द एड्रेस ऑफ num and a is same or different. Kindly give me an answer, kindly give me an answer whether the address of a and num is same. Why so? Because they refer to the same value. टाइप करिए चैट बॉक्स में, because they refers to the same value. ये जो मैंने बोला है वो टाइप करिए सब लोग। Very good. I am waiting because they refers to the same value. Very good. Thank you very much. Now what happened here? Kindly concentrate. Now kindly concentrate. A is equal to a plus 2. यार अब क्या होगा? A is equal to a plus 2. अब नहीं समझ आया भाई, a is equal to a plus 2 क्या होगा? A की वैल्यू 3 थी, अब क्या हुआ? 3 plus 2, that is to be considered as 5. Now very good, yeah, now it's correct that value of a is equal to 5. अब उसने क्या लिखा? वैल्यू ऑफ a now change to a. अब मुझे बताइए कि a का जो एड्रेस है वो पहले वाले जो हमारा नम है उसके बराबर ही रहेगा या चेंज होगा? चेंज और नॉट? The address of variable a when the value is 5, now it is going to be changed because it refers to a value. Now value is supposed to be changed here. Very good, great. And now what happened? Returning from function 1, when it is going to be returned from a function 1, num here, id num. Can I run this program? अब मैं ये आपसे बाद में पूछूंगा कि अब जब बैक वो आया तो उसका जो है वैल्यू जो है नम की वो 3 ही रही या 5 हो जाएगी? कोई मुझे बता सकता है? The value of num is when it backs to a main section, the value of num will remain 5 or 3. I am expecting the outputs. Very good. Arey wah, Khushi. Very good. Can you please allow me to run this program for a while? Can you please allow me? Yes, very good. Thank you. God bless you. Okay. I'm just going to save this program, my dear respected students, and here it is, it's go. I'm just going to save this and mentioning it as a 23 program and hit the enter key. And what happened now? Now kindly concentrate. Num in main is 3, the address will be this. Inside function it goes, value received in a is 3 and the address of both num and a will remain same. Very good. And after that, what happened when the value is supposed to be changed here? Now the address of a variable is also going to be changed, and when it send back the value towards the main, the value of num will remain 3 and the address will be same as earlier because this is a integer data type. And my dear respected students, when we are talking about int representing a mutable or immutable, jaldi se chat box mein type kariye. When we talk about an integer, when we talk about a string, when we talk about a tuple, these are mutable or immutable? jaldi se boliye. Very good. Integer. Immutable means it cannot be modified. Very good. अच्छा मेरे बच्चों, अब मेरे को बताइए जरा, give me your responses in the form of yes or no. Till now it's clear. अभी तक जो हमने विचार किया, the thing will be clear. Very good. Great. Thank you very much. Thanks for your kind cooperation. Okay, very good, sir. Nupur का कोई क्वेश्चन है? एक मिनट Sir, does the ID of number changes in different version of Python? Mera beta, it's my humble request, Nupur ji, Nupur Mahavar ji, you are supposed to, in case of different version, I don't have any idea that the address is supposed to be changed, because this is a fundamental concept of a Python, that it refers to a value. That variable is refers to the value. But now we are using a version that is 3.8.5. Okay. Very good. Hopefully my answers is supposed to justify your question. In 3.9.9 is different. Okay, kindly you are requested to kindly check again. Okay, no problem. Sir, please explain ID again. गुरप्रीत जी, इसकी फिर फीस लग जाएगी, आप दे पाएंगे क्या? Yes or no में आंसर दीजिए ना प्लीज. Yes sir. फीस आ गई है यार, तेरी चिंता मत कर, तो टेंशन मत लिया कर. Okay. When we are talking about the ID, here it is, ID is supposed to display the address of a particular variable. Here it is, A is equal to 20, and my dear respected Gurpreet ji, if you want to view the address of that particular, it says ID of A. This is the 1758832,864, representing the address of a value that is 20. Value that is 20. And when we are going to again give the value, B is equal to 20 and hit the enter key and mentioning ID is equal to B, I think so they give the same address which is being used by a variable A, because this is the value which variable refers to, and value 20 having a same address. Yes or no? Yes or no? Be quick. मुझे yes or no में answer कर दीजिए ना please, ऐसे मत करिए. Very good, very good. I am waiting for your responses. Yeah, अभी अरे वाह, आ गया. Yes, आ गया. Very good, great. Okay, now kindly consider, now it's your test again. अब तुम्हारा टेस्ट दोबारा होने जा रहा है. Okay, kindly concentrate. अच्छा, pictorial representation दिखाता हूँ, जरा एक बार देखिएगा. Example again, this is example. Kindly consider what we have viewed in our interface, Python interface. Now kindly concentrate the pictorial representation of the same. It's my humble request, my dear respected student. Num is equal to 3, 3 having an address, and num is a variable which points to a value 3. Again, it says ID of num. Okay, great. They call the function, it moves toward a. Now again, my dear respected students, a refers to a value 3 here. Again, inside my function, it display the value of a, address will remain same. A is equal to a plus 2. Now it pointing to a value 5. Now the address of that particular value is different. Now A is assigning to a new address. Very good. Value of a now changed to A, and address is again supposed to be changed. And when it return back, it will display the value of num as the address. The variable A points to a new value, but num is neither points to a new value. That's why it's display a previous value as well as the address. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? मैंने अपनी तरफ से बोल दिया, मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई, पर मैंने उनसे देखा ही नहीं कि उन्होंने yes or no बोला कि नहीं. हाँ, अभी मुझे लगता है कि सिर्फ प्रभजोत का है yes, मेरे ख्याल से हरजीवन का है शायद. Very good, very good, very good. Give me a response. Give me a responses. Very good. Thank you. God bless you. My dear respected students, it's my humble request. Side by side, I am just going to give you a reminders that after this session, today's session, I'm going to share some assignments in your group, and I'm also supposed to share one Google Form link where you are supposed to update your assignment. Okay, and after that, one more thing I'm just going to do with this, that whatever the programs you have done in chapter 1, along with the assignments what we have discussed or what we have done in this chapter, all programs are supposed to be uploaded on a Google form which is shared by your teacher, and you all are requested to make your practical file side by side. After each chapter, we are going to compile the programs and we are going to take a printout along with the outputs. Kindly concentrate. Passing a mutable type means again which can be modified type value to a function making changes in place. Very good. Kindly concentrate here. मेरे को एक एक करके बताते रहिएगा मेन सेक्शन से. मैं चैट बॉक्स में वेट कर रहा हूं, आप लोगों की चैट बॉक्स में वेट कर रहा हूं. काइंडली कंसंट्रेट. इट सेज लिस्ट 1. मेरे को चैट बॉक्स में बताइए लिस्ट 1 में कौन सी वैल्यू है. वेरी गुड. लिस्ट 1 में कौन सी वैल्यू है? काइंडली जस्ट गिव मी अ क्लू इन अ चैट बॉक्स. Very good. List 1 having a value that is a 1. Very good. After that, next line says list before function call list. अब list 1 में दोबारा आपने मुझे बता दिया कि क्या डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा? 1 डिस्प्ले होगा. Very good, great. After that, they are going to call that particular function. They are just supposed to call that particular function here, my function to list 1. Here it is, as an actual argument, it passes to a my list. Now, what is supposed to be stored in a my list? Jaldi se. Very good. What is supposed to be stored in a my list? Again, Akul ne answer diya sabse pehle ki 1 is there. Okay. The message will be displayed. Very good. Inside function, list received my list, that is 1. Again, I think so. What happened now? My list index value 0, where previously 1 is going to be stored. Now they are going to update that particular value. वो उस वैल्यू को अपडेट करने वाले हैं, और अपडेट करने की वैल्यू को क्या कर रहे हैं वो? काइंडली कंसंट्रेट. It is going to store the value. Just tell me in a chat box. पहले उसमें 1 था, अब कुछ ऐड हुआ उसके अंदर, एंड व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू व्हिच इज स्टोर्ड इन अ माय लिस्ट? वेरी गुड. बाकी सब लोगों से आंसर एक्सपेक्टेड है 3. अरे वाह. नाउ इट सेज माय लिस्ट विद इन अ फंक्शन आफ्टर चेंज माय लिस्ट. अब माय लिस्ट के अंदर क्या आया? 3. आप लोगों ने मुझे आंसर दे दिया. नाउ जस्ट टेल मी वन थिंग, दैट दिस इज द माय लिस्ट which is a data type is list. This is mutable or immutable? Very good. Tell me, this is a mutable or immutable? In a chat box, please. Yeah, this is a mutable. Mutable means which can be modified. Now just tell me when it goes back to a main section. This is the last line. List after function call is list 1. Now tell me whether the output of list 1, when it comes back from the function towards a main section, now it will be 1 or a 3. Very good. Jaldi se, बिना घबराए हुए. अकुल, गुस्सा आ रहा है मुझे. अनिरुद्ध, अरे very good, thank you. Very good. Here again says wrong thing. Why here? Why? Int is a immutable data type which cannot be modified, and whereas list is a data type which can be modified. So here I think so the value of list 1, when it comes back to a main section, then it is to be considered as a 3. Wait for 1 minute, no problem. घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. चेक करिएगा. My dear respected student, kindly check. First of all, I want to display one pictorial representation. जल्दी से देखिएगा एक बार प्लीज, फिर डिस्कस करते हैं. प्रोग्राम को कॉपी पेस्ट करके वहां पे लेके चलते हैं. देखिए आप जरा, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. लिस्ट 1, अब आपके ब्रेन के अंदर है कि क्या क्या हुआ था. लिस्ट 1 पॉइंटिंग टू दिस एड्रेस. काइंडली कंसंट्रेट माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट. नेक्स्ट, what happened here? 1, the list 1 index value 0 is supposed to be pointing to a particular address, and that particular address storing a value. That value is to be considered as a 1. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात यहां तक होपफुली क्लियर हो गई है, मुझे लगता है. My words are clear to you. Okay. After that, what happened next now? Now this particular value is being passed to a function, and there is a formal argument which is to be considered as a my list. जिनको मेरी बात समझ आ रही है वो कंसंट्रेट करिएगा. My list, and my list is again refers to a same address which is being shared by a list 1. List 1 बिल्कुल वो same address जो है वो share कर रहा है. Now what happened here? If you remember that the value is supposed to be updated from a 1 plus 2, that should be 3. Now what happened here? Kindly concentrate. As if now list 1 and my list is supposed to refer to a same address, whereas before or previously it saves address of a value 1, but now because this is supposed to be updated, the address which is being stored now in list 1 is supposed to be considered as the address of a value 3, and it makes sense that now the address which is being stored previously in list 1 and my list is being changed with a value 3. Similarly, the address is also going to be changed. And now what happened when we come back to a main section, my list is going to be disappear, but list 1, as they having a different address, now they are supposed to display the value that should be 3. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको इनको मेरी ये ग्राफिकल जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन है समझ आई हो, वो मुझे यस और नो में आंसर दीजिएगा प्लीज. इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. मेरे को रिस्पॉन्सेस चाहिए. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. मुझे आएंगे क्या रिस्पॉन्सेस? आ रहे हैं, आ रहे हैं, आ रहे हैं, आ रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. यस 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 यस. वेरी गुड. ओके, now kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. Here it is. If you want that I'm just going to discuss the same, kindly concentrate. I'm just going to copy this content here from here, and I'm just supposed to display that content in your Python, Okay, what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to display that content here. Here it is the content, and I'm just going to display the same in a Python itself, because somewhere there is a confusion in the brains of my dear respected students whether it works appropriately in a function or not. So it display the content again, 1 here, 1 here, 3 here, and 3 here, because it refers to a list, that is list 1 and my list. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात जिन लोगों को समझ आ गई हो, वो कृपया करके आपके चरणों में विनम्र विनती है यस में आंसर दें. और I am just going to share one attendance link in your group, and it's my humble request, after a while I am just going to make this turn off. So it's my humble request that before joining the next class,